3, 2, 1.
Apples, how would you do this? The answer is A. Supply a robot with power. What year was Nasser born? The answer is D. 1918. The song Your Mother Should Know is based on a line from a film released in what year? The answer is C. 1961. What is oil likely comprised of? The answer is D. Brontosaurus. What children's TV character is known as Don Ao in China? The answer is B. Big Bird. When did Dowcom Somalia and WIOC begin talks for their deal? The answer is B. 2014. Leo the Lion is the mascot of what Hollywood film studio founded in 1924? The answer is C. MGM. Why is Howard so fond of Vince as a person? The answer is D. Howard is sexually attracted to Vince. Which one of these movies did Zac Efron star in? The answer is B. High School Musical. Why were they spending time near flower beds? The answer is A. They wanted good scenery for a photo shoot. How many helicopters were sent to deliver aid to the affected areas? The answer is A. 20. To clean off rust from a metal table that was resistant to vinegar, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a soft bristle brush. When did BIND resume testing potential government employees? The answer is B. 1313. Why do the five of us not get to see each other very often? The answer is B. We all reside in different towns. What is the only U.S. state capital to border another country? The answer is C. Juneau. What toxic chemical was released in the Tokyo subway by the Aum Shinrikyo sect in 1995? The answer is B. Sarin. What waves do radio and television use? The answer is C. Radio waves. The flag of what country consists of a simple green field with no other features? The answer is D. Libya. Opportunistic diseases are usually the direct cause of death of people with what disease? The answer is C. AIDS. What year was the Second Treaty of Thorn enacted? The answer is A. 1466. When did Galerius revoke the anti-Christian policies? The answer is A. 311. The Ferrari Testarossa went into production in 1984. What does Testarossa mean? The answer is A. Redhead. What makes sure that the tips of your toes have enough of the gas that plants put off? The answer is A. Your circulatory system. DNA replication, chromosome segregation, and the separation into two daughter cells are steps in what process? The answer is A. Binary fission. When was the lowest temperature recorded in NYC? The answer is B. 1934. When was the Live Aid charity concert held? The answer is D. 1985. In the 1975 comedy Monty Python and the Holy Grail, who decided that Arthur and his knights should search for the Holy Grail? The answer is B. God. What year did Spain and Portugal refuse to join the EU? The answer is D. 1985. Did I deserve a ticket? The answer is D. None of the above choices. Which particle of an atom has a positive electric charge? The answer is D. Proton. Why was the ride fun? The answer is C. Because lots of drinks were served. For how many years did Arsenal play at Highbury? The answer is C. 93. How many institutions rejected the Association of American Universities membership? The answer is C. 62. How many finalists were there on Season 8 of American Idol? The answer is B. 13. What is the best gun to keep my home safe? How would you do this? The answer is A. A handgun would be the easiest to use. The fact that all living things share the same biochemical building blocks is molecular evidence of what theorized process? The answer is B. Evolution. What did they do after they moved rooms? The answer is B. They sat on the balcony. What is the largest mountain in the Western Hemisphere? The answer is B. Aconcagua. When an unstable nucleus emits radiation and is transformed into the nucleus of other elements, this is called. The answer is B, radioactive decay. What may be the reason why they got a sunburn even though they put sunscreen on? The answer is A, they sweat so much that the sunscreen came off. In the film Johnny Dangerously, what caliber was Danny Verman's pistol? The answer is A, .88 Magnum. Why was his hand touching her skin at the edge of the uniform? The answer is C, because he grabbed her wrist. Where would you find most pollution of ocean water? The answer is B, coastline. When did the university reach the Sweet 17? The answer is A, 1935. What African nation lost its coastal access on the Red Sea and became landlocked when Eritrea gained independence in 1993? The answer is B, Ethiopia. What is the Tagalog word for tree? The answer is B, puno. Some people are shown riding down the river rapids while a man watches them. A man says something to one of the riders as they pass the second rider. What happens next? The answer is A, looks back as he passes the man. In science, anything that has mass and volume is considered what? The answer is A, matter. What is the length of the 2007 film adaptation of the graphic novel 300? The answer is C, 117 minutes. Which of the following groups was converted to Christianity in the 10th century AD by missionaries from the Byzantine Empire?